Okay. Thank you. My hands don't want to work, do they? Okay. Tiger spanner I've seen on TV.
Mm-hmm. So that's the back wheel.
Yeah.
Mm.
But guess what?
Guess what?
They're the same as the front wheel.
Mm.
Oh, Jesus. Alright, this is
Tight?
yeah.
Want me to get a better puncher?
Yeah, that's a bit. Yeah. I could destroy it, but I don't want to destroy it. Yeah. God. Oh shit.
Gulay.
This one's a bit more flippity floppity.
Flippity floppity. That's easy.
Yeah, the other one's seized on. If it doesn't behave itself, I'll leave it there.
Yeah.
Well, it's the least. Plug it. There you go. Okay. Where's the hammer?
There.
Oh, sugar. Can you put your hand on
Okay.
it?
Oh my gulay.
Excellent.
I lost it. I didn't catch it properly. Okay. So here's your bearing. Oh my gulay. Here's the coconut.
Just try not to wreck the box. Voila. I hope they're the ones. If they're not, you're in big trouble.
Alright.
Well, here we go. Need a... I don't need anything. There she be. We need a... Where's the tiger spanner?
With a
Okay.
tiger spanner.
You berries, they're going really easily. Let's see if they're the right ones. Ducks nuts. So all we're going to do is to just wonder if we could have they're pretty greased, you know, but they don't have much in them, and they're not greasable. All right. Put her on. This is a flanged lock nut. Just like I bought one. I'll die before that does. Now, where's the other wheel? Right. Just a press fit into the poly wheel. Just get some lube, not to lubricate, just for anti-rust really. I don't know what that's for. I can't see a need for it really, because there's a step there and a step there for the there.
Okay.
Sounds dry, doesn't it? It really does, you know. I don't like it.
Then I'm gonna mow tomorrow here.
That one's not dry, but that one is.
Yeah. As long it turns, it's okay. Righto. Okay.
It's empty.
Absolutely empty.
Where's your petrol?
Macarunzen.
A recent discovery.
What is?
Mowers need petrol. Didn't know that before, did you?
Nah.
All right. Give it a good heave ho.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Just gonna, can you put your hand on it?
Oh my gulay.
Excellent.
I lost it. I didn't catch it properly.
You didn't catch it at all.
Ay, nako.
Ah, there's where that thing goes.
Now you know. It's a bit tight.
Yeah, it's probably loose enough. It's there you go.
Yeah, that's better.
Would have liked to have lubricated those bearings.
Okay, so the other stubborn wheel.